answer is we don't know. The argument in favor of the president being able to pardon himself is the Supreme Court has characterized the pardoning power, which comes directly from the Constitution, it doesn't come from a statute, as plenary, meaning full and final, without any appeal. And so it appears to apply to everyone. The contrary argument is that the Constitution also embodies the rule of law. And one of the basic tenets of the rule of law is a person can't be a judge in their own case. So that would seem to argue against the president's pardoning power. But I hope that Donald Trump doesn't do this, because it will create an instantaneous constitutional crisis. And if he does not do it, then we'll continue to have this debate. If he does do it, we'll find out if it sticks. They only have one option, and that would be to impeach him. Now, a lot of Republicans in the past 24 hours have been saying it would be immediate impeachment, that this would be so outrageous nobody would tolerate it. Well, that remains to be seen. I mean, impeachment is a weighing and a balancing, is one single act so outrageous that it outweighs the will of the people who sent the president there. That's basically what the Congress would have to decide. House of Representatives charges or indicts by a majority vote. The Senate would then remove from office by a 2/3 vote. If it's one vote shy of the 2/3, as happened with with President Andrew Johnson in the post-Civil War era, then there's no removal from office. Theoretically, it would not, because the impeachment power is limited only to removal from office. Now, some prosecutor, let's say he pardons himself, is charged with a high crime or misdemeanor, pardoning himself by the House, is removed from office by the Senate, is no longer the President of the United States, and some prosecutor wants to charge him with whatever crime Bob Mueller finds, if he finds something. He would file an indictment, and then a trial court judge before whom the indictment was assigned, or to whom the case was assigned, would decide whether or not impeachment vitiated the pardon. In my view, impeachment would not vitiate the pardon, but that has never been decided by a court. A pardon can wipe out all criminal activity from the moment of birth up to the moment of the pardon. It cannot wipe out future criminal activity, because then that would be literally a license to kill.